What's up guys, it's Cody here, and today in this video I have some pretty exciting news. If you guys haven't heard already, this morning there was an exploit released that's going to allow a jailbreak on the iPhone 4S up to the iPhone 10. It is unpatchable, it's a bootrom exploit. This means that you will be able to jailbreak your device on any iOS from the iPhone 4S to the iPhone 10. That is crazy. That is the biggest jailbreak news that has been released in a very long time. So let's go ahead and kind of break it down because I don't want to give you guys the wrong impression. This is not a jailbreak yet. This is an exploit, and it was just released this morning. So it is going to take a little bit of work from probably Pwned to Own, I would assume, to start working on this and turn this in to a fully functional jailbreak for all devices, the iPhone 4S up to the iPhone 10, any iOS. You can install any custom IPSW. It's gonna be absolutely insane. Now the thing about this exploit is that it can't be patched. That means that no matter what, for the lifetime of these devices, you are going to be able to jailbreak. Whew, man. I didn't think I'd ever be making a video like this again. I mean, that's crazy. That's absolutely insane. And that's such a wide range of devices too. Now, of course, it doesn't go up to the iPhone 11 Pro Max or anything, but for everybody that's on pretty new and older devices, you're gonna be able to jailbreak for the life of that device. That's crazy. That's crazy. Now, this exploit was released this morning, like I said, from a Twitter user, Axiom X, and it's called Checkmate. I'll put a link to the actual tweet when he tweeted this out so you guys can check it out for yourself. There's like a 5-tweet write-up that you can follow from that initial tweet. And there's also a link to the GitHub where this exploit is released, and you can look at it if you're into that kind of thing. Now, for most people, this is not going to be something that you want to mess with right now. This is more of just the first stepping stone to a jailbreak. So most of you guys are just going to want to wait for the jailbreak tutorial on how to do it. And of course, I'll be putting up a tutorial as soon as it's released and jailbreaking all the phones. It's going to be crazy. Now, I do want to read you one of the tweets just to be perfectly clear on what this is. So Axiom X said, "What I am releasing today is not a full jailbreak with Cydia. It's just an exploit. Researchers and developers can use it to dump SecureROM, decrypt keybags with AES engine, and demote the device to enable JTAG. You still need additional hardware and software to use the JTAG." Now, another thing to mention is this is a tethered jailbreak. It's not untethered, so while it's not as good as an untethered jailbreak, it's still a jailbreak. It's a permanent jailbreak, and it's on for like millions of devices that are out there right now. It's gonna be crazy. So just to expand a little bit on the tethered portion of this jailbreak, Axiom says that this vulnerability can only be triggered over USB and requires physical access. It cannot be exploited remotely. So even in the future, there is no chance of this being an untethered jailbreak. Now, I'll list some of the features that you're going to get with this exploit in the description below. I'll kind of glaze over them right now. So you're going to be able to jailbreak and downgrade the iPhone 3GS with the new bootrom with allocate untethered bootrom exploit. You're also going to get Pwned DFU Mode with steak sauce, lime rain, and SHAtter. Dump SecureROM on other devices, as well as some other features I'll put in the description. Now, if you do go to GitHub and check this out, you should absolutely already know what you're doing. You shouldn't have to try to figure it out too much. I mean, you should have a pretty good idea of what you need to do with this if you are going to try to use it, because there is a warning specifying that this could brick your device. So yeah, that's all I got today. I just wanted to let you know that hundreds of millions of iOS devices are going to be able to be permanently jailbroken in the pretty near future. Every device from the A5 chip up to the A11 chip. Are you kidding me? This is crazy. I can't believe it. That's amazing. That's great news. That's great news for anybody that's on an iPhone 4S all the way up to an iPhone 10. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Let me know if your device falls into this category, if you're going to be using this jailbreak once it releases. Again, this is going to work on any iOS firmware on those devices, and it can never be patched. Pretty crazy. All right, guys, if you want to stay up to date with everything Jailbreak, everything Apple, or anything other tech that I want to talk about, be sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.